Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible to all? Yeah. So, I'm here to talk about the latest trends in forex market, and practically, I'm in this field since last 7 years. Basically, it's not a small time. Many of them are getting many ups and downs in this market, right? So, I'm here from the broker house which is known as Space World Capital. Okay, one of the trusted broker house partner since very long. It's working in a very good name. Purely, Space World is a brokerage firm which providing tradings in accessible global market and global financial markets also. We are having a very good customer relationship. Everything is going smooth way, and many things like you can say the spread and the leverage and everything, the IBs are getting very good returns. On the waste note, why Space World Capital? I will take it as fast, okay, because the time limit is very small. Multi-asset trading, like we can trade in forex, we can trade in commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. In that way, competitive spread and leverage in the market. In the advanced way, we have a trading platform where we are trading on a MT5, which is one of the leading and the most knowing platform all over the globe, right? Dedicated customer support, you can get 24/7, any day, anytime. In the same way, secure and regulated environment and the educational resource. We are having a free education system over here and we are running right now more than in 25 countries. In the same way, why Forex market? Forex is basically known as everyone know that it stands for foreign exchange, right? In the easy way, we trade in the different currencies. We trade in multiple currencies. Like an example, we can say Euro USD in the pairs, like GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, and multiple of them. In the same way, Forex current market overview. The major currencies in the all over the globe, you can see like it's a US dollar, Euro, GBP, Japanese yen, and much more. Like the top leading countries, they are running the forex market especially. In the same way, market volatility. There is a lot of ups and downs in the currency market. But you can see often due to the global events like any national news, you will get a very huge volatility in the market. In the same way, interest rates. Interest rates also impact very highly in this market. Like central banks news, Federal Reserve news, and so over. In the same way, impact on inflations. Many countries are dealing with inflation, with each affects how their currency performs against. In the same way, we can say if the currency is getting a good impact news, it gets stronger, and the parallel currency, the pair currency, whichever it is, it gets weaker, right? In the same way, technology advancement in the forex. Right now, automated trading is running very fast. Everyone knowing that right now, nowadays, many of them are using the bot technology, AI technology. Many of them are going into that. So we are here to provide you all the systems. In the same way, data analysts. Traders now use a big data analysis tools to study market trend and the market description, which is provided from our end too. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is one of the most leading concept right now. This technology is being explored and secured for transparency and transparent transactions, which can change how traders are done. These advancements are making forex trading faster, more efficient, and accessible to more people. In the same way, emerging market currencies. Growth potential, these countries often have a faster economic growth. The main forex market runs on the economic speed of each and every single country. In the same way, volatility, emerging market currencies can be more unstable. Like due to multiple, like Asian market is on, then Japanese market is off. Each and every market is running on an average 23 hours a day. So you can get a much volatility in 24 hours, at least skipping of 1 hour. Higher risk and rewards management. Due to the leverage, you get a very amazing risk and reward management over here, which is very low in the Indian stock market or any stock market of the globe. Influence of global event. These currencies can be heavily influenced by things like change in the global commodities, price, foreign investments, and much more. In the same way, rise of cryptocurrency. As much of now, many of them, this is the second biggest market in the world after the forex. You all know that is cryptocurrency. Digital currency, cryptocurrency are online money that aren't controlled by any banks or government. This is the purely decentralized. So it's the much traded market in the globe right now. More acceptancy, more store and websites are starting accept them as a payment. So even the transaction you are getting, every single payment you can get through the cryptocurrency like USDT or any like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then investment interest. Many people buy cryptocurrencies hoping their prices will go up, increase. Day by day, it will be showing you the new highs in the market, right? In the same way, conclusion, the key takeaway. The forex market is evolving rapidly with technology innovations, regulatory changes, and the emergence of a new trading instruments. Future outlook, except continued volatility, technology instruction, and growing influence of emerging market of the and cryptocurrency in the forex landscape. So over here, I have just run this PPT. We are on here on the booth number 69. So any of you are interested, you can get connected to my booth number 69 and you can sort it with your all questions and answers. Sorry for running it as time was running too fast. So thank you. Is there any question? Okay, thank you.